Good morning, children. Are you ready for maths? Come on, let's start with exercise number 2.5, question 4. Word problem. In a week, an aeroplane covers a distance of 1756 kilometers, while another aeroplane covers a distance of 6767 kilometers. Estimate to the nearest thousand the total distance covered by the two aeroplanes. Dear students, in these questions, what you need to do? Did you understand? Find the estimated the total distance covered by the two aeroplanes. Means first of all we will have to round off these both the numbers nearest thousand. Look at here. An aeroplane covers a distance is equal to 1756 kilometers. Another aeroplane covers a distance is equal to 6767 kilometers. So what is to be found? Estimated total distance covered by the two aeroplanes is equal to question mark. This is to be found. Now you all know this is a word problem, so first of all we will have to write the statements, and these are the statements. Now operations we will do what is required for this. Now first of all we will round off the two numbers nearest thousand. One number is 1756, so nearest thousand means which place is to be rounded off. It is to be underlined. Nearest thousand place means 1 is on thousand place. Underline the digit. Observe the hundred place. If the digit in the hundred place is 5 or more than 5, then the digit in the thousand place will increase by 1. Means 1 plus 1 it will become 2. Means 2 is on thousand place, and rest of the digits will be 0. Means our rounded off number is 2000. Now next number is 6767. Here also we will rounding off the nearest thousand, so underline the thousand place. Observe the hundred place. Here also digit in the hundred place is 7. Means the thousand place digit will increase by 1. Means 6 plus 1 it will become 7, and the rest of the digits will be 0. Means our rounded off number is 7000. Right? Now total distance, these are the estimated numbers. Now to find the total estimated distance we will add both the numbers. Means horizontally we can add, or you can arrange the numbers in the columns and you can add. Either this way or that way you can add. So 2000 plus 7000 is equal to 9000 kilometers. This is estimated sum, or we can say estimated distance. So our statement will be estimated total distance covered by the two aeroplanes is equal to 9000 kilometers. Now question number 5. A farmer grows 3 different crops on different fields. After harvesting, he obtains 1656 kg of wheat, 6183 kg of sugarcane, and 1211 kg of corn in a year. Estimate the total yield of all the fields to the nearest 100. Dear students, here meaning of yield is to gain, or किसी चीज़ को पाना, or you can say yield means to gain. Estimate the total yield of the all the fields to the nearest 100. Now we will start with the statements. Here it is. A farmer obtains crop of wheat is equal to 1656 kilograms. A crop of sugarcane is equal to 6183 kilograms, and crop of corn is equal to 1211 kilograms. So what is to be found? Estimated total yield of all the fields is equal to question mark. To find these things, first of all, we will round off the numbers which you are given like this. Now round off the numbers nearest 100. So first number is 1656, right? Nearest 100 means 100 place we will underline and we will observe the tens place digit. And rule is to round off the 100 place digit in the tens place is 5 or more than 5, then the digit in the 100 place will increase by 1, means 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, and 1 will be as it is, 6 will become 7, and the rest of the digits will be 0. Our rounded off number is 1700 plus. Here the number is 6183 and rounded off number is 6200. Same method, same rule we will follow to rounding of the numbers. And last number is 1211. Here nearest 100 means 100 place digit is 2, and observe the tens place. The digit in the tens place is less than 5, so digit in the 100 place will not change. It means 2 will be the same, 1 will come as it is, and the rest of the digits will be 0, means our rounded off number is 1200. Now total estimated yield, to find that we will add all these rounded off numbers, means 1700 plus 6200 plus 1200, and our answer is 9100. Dear students, this number is in a kilogram, so our last statement is estimated total yield of all the fields is equal to 9100 kilograms. Question number 6 we will do in a video number 2. If any doubt in question number 4 and 5, you can contact me. Thank you and have a nice day.